Good morning, everyone. Today is October 2nd, 2015, and today is not a good day for me, but I'd like to show a video anyways. Not every day is a winning day, and essentially today I just pretty much ran out of ammo to participate because I hit my daily budget, which is about 20 to 30 ticks. Like I said, I'm trading part-time, so it's essential that I stick to my budget. Anyhow, so this is how it went today. Followed the report. I was really, what I was trying to do was trying to buy the dips, and with the volatility that was taking place today, each of these candles are, pretty tall, 10 ticks when your budget, your stop is only 5 ticks long, then you almost have to, you almost have to buy this really at the dead low, which I'm, part of my entry technique that I'm trying to develop. Anyways, so looking at the market, let me show you what I did today. So initial report came in, and it started to sell off here, and I think my first entry was because I was expecting a double bottom here, and I got in, try to see if I could sustain this move, and essentially this thing just kept going down, and I was trying to enter on all of these levels, and I just kept getting stopped out, not realizing that there was a support level here at this zone. But at that point, my bullet pretty much ran out, and buying the longs, I started kind of overthinking, or thinking that hey, maybe I'm in the wrong side of the market, right? So I mean, now I'm thinking about that. I should have looked for opportunity for a short rather than a long, but the reason why I was looking into the long side is because on the daily level, I just didn't want to get caught on this huge, massive reversal. So one of them is right here at 44, about 44 halves, and then the other at 44.30 level. I had this anticipation that the price was going to go down because of the lower low, I believe, that it made yesterday. So this one is at 68 low, and this one is at 63 low. So I knew that a potential to the downside might be possible, but I also know that there's this price support that might get tested here. So that's why these are the levels that I was trying to participate in, hoping for a bounce from those price. But looking at it now, the 44.30s got violated. So I think that we're now going to test these pivot lows that are sitting here, and coincidentally that's on the 50% retracement. So I think it's just going to funnel through that, and might even test this pivot low here, which is at the 41.75 level. And but I think now that it made these highs, we might have some room here. I think there's more room here to test this level here, at this level at about 39 level, the 39.85 levels, which is looking very promising now. But I don't think we're still out. I think we're still in this consolidated zone, 43.60. It's still a good area for buy. But one thing I saw yesterday was the price rejection at that 47.05 where I traded yesterday. I noticed that price action from yesterday was very strong at this level here yesterday. Oh no, I'm still below. we go, 47.10. I made a good entry here yesterday, but got jigged out, like I was talking about in my previous videos, and I was seeing huge amount of selling this area. So, and I didn't think there was, I mean, now it's confirmed now that there might not be any interest, you know, in price to go further up, because obviously we're back down to you know, the 44 level, you know, $3 move in the last, you know, 2 days or so, or yeah, 2 days. So I don't think that there's any interest there. So I think this has a potential more to the downside than the upside here. And look, it's retesting this level now, and it looks like it's going to break it. So I think the next level down would be 43.60. So as I mentioned, I think the 43.5 here is going to get tested again, and you know the S&P is probably not doing so good either because of the jobs number that came out this morning. So now I'm looking at building a thesis that you know 41.80 might be a good place to to wait for a bounce here. But anyhow, that's it for me. Ran out of bullets. Honored my stop or hit system here. I think I didn't move my stop this time. I just kept at it, and as you can see, this one right here, 5 minutes. I was holding to it until it came up as high as I think 43 was the level that I was participating in. It was right here when I came up and then made this lower low. So 47 was the highest that it made. But I held on to it just because of the very reason, the mistake that I made yesterday. That mistake was over managing my trade and not allowing that winner to run. So the idea was, I had this anticipation that the market made its range today already, so it was just going to go sideways for the whole day, and I think that's what's happening. Was I was over managing it. So this time around, I just kind of let it go. I was like, well, I either lose 5 or make 50, and but like I said, the range of each of these candles, and I'm even on the 1 minute chart here. I mean, they're all averaging about 10 ticks long, and my stop is only 5. So I think that was one mistake that I made today. I need to pay more attention to that. Anyway, so I think, yeah, look, this support level, we're still holding up pretty good here. I think it has even potential to this upside, but all this consolidation now, I mean, today is just one of those not so good day trade for me. Anyways, I have the opportunity to start over tomorrow. I think that's it for me. I gotta get to work. I hope you guys have a good one. If you like this video, subscribe. I have a Twitter account now, so you can follow me on Twitter as well. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, I know there's some of you guys out there that's probably looking for videos, trying to learn to see if you could do this part-time, and this is kind of the premise of how I started all these YouTube channels, because I know there's some of you guys out there looking, trying to find opportunities to learn, and trying to pay somebody to learn this stuff at that cost that they're charging. To me, it's just ridiculous. So anyway, I can help. Just give me a holler. Y'all have a good weekend. Thank you.